Keisha, I'm outside. Hurry up before my car cut off. What is you doing? You know the door don't work. What you finna do, jump through the window? Cause the door don't open. You gonna jump through the window or you gonna come around and crawl through? Which one? All right, girl, let's go. Oh man, here the police.
Ma'am, do you know why I pulled you over?
Because you're an asshole.
Excuse me, ma'am, what did you say?
Nothing, sir. I was saying no, sir. I didn't know why you had pulled me over. So what's the reason, sir?
Because both your signal lights are out.
What? What you mean my blinkers light out?
Bulb is out
Somebody
and
that
it's
had
hanging from the car.
had to be able to bust my window. I didn't even know they was hanging down. I'm serious. I really didn't know. And then you say they hanging? Hanging? Really? That was not like that. This is so unfair. You know, people just be hating on you. People just be hating.
I have one more ticket for you.
Another ticket for what?
The light is out.
My tail light too? No, can't be my tail light. I done changed that tail light like 5 times in the last couple of months. 5 times. You mean to tell me that tail light is out again and it's coming off? No. Oh, sorry, officer. It's just it randomly goes off. My horn is randomly. All right, girl, let's go. Get out the way!
Girl, what's wrong with you?
Get the out of the way! Cars, girl. If they don't move, my car gonna run hot. I need them to move. Get the fuck out the way. Move. Huh. Some people have no respect for people with raggedy cars. Move. Oh, my car overheat.
Bro, cut on the air. It's hot in here.
Bitch, I know it's hot. If you think I can cut on the AC, don't you think I would? If I could, I would. The radio work. Listen to the radio and forget all your worries.
I'm missing the AC.
It's in that bus stop too. Talking about you missing AC. You missing the bus stop too. You can get on it. Oh, bitch.
What's the problem?
What you mean, what's the problem? It's finna rain. This top don't work. It leaks. Hey, Keisha, bring back some water.
I thought you wanted a Pepsi.
Yes, I did want a soda. We need the water for the car. Get some water. Get some water. We need some water for the car. The car be overheating. Bitch, just bring back the water. All right, Dream Family, I hope you absolutely enjoyed video content. I really do appreciate you guys for giving me this great idea of showing off my bum car. And I hope you guys actually enjoyed this content creation. Always leave your comments down below. Leave any other video requests that you guys want to request. Leave them in the comment section down below. I really do appreciate you, Dream Family. If you're on this channel and you're watching my video, make sure you subscribe. You're a part of the Dream Family. If you're watching the videos, you're a part of the family. Welcome to the Dream Family. The moral of the story, guys, is whatever you want in life, you can have it. But you have to stay true to yourself and stay disciplined. Stick to your goals and you will get everything that you dream for. But when you try to live and do things for other people, that's when you're gonna go wrong. Stay disciplined and stay on track with your goals, and everything that you want you can get. All right, I really do appreciate you, Dream Family, from stopping by, and I'll see you all in the next motherfucking video. Bye. Okay guys, this is the inside of my car. The door panels are off. The side of my seat is split, but you guys can see my car is very clean. And as you can see right here, where my grandson took the cover from around here and he broke it. And then also look at this beautiful crack in the dashboard right here. Whatever it is that you have, it's fine. Just keep it clean. You can have a new car and it be filthy and it still look like trash. So yeah, I just want to go ahead and let you guys see my bum ass Beetle.